Today we will talk about how we can make a project and all the document and software we can download from Orient Display website. And also including step-by-step procedure in this document. It's the AGU series, Project Maker Guide. We open that and you can see there are 5 major steps to make a project. The first is to prepare the font library and convert to a bin file. So luckily, Orient Display provide this software that can produce the bin file for 96 common ASCII characters in a one shot. That covers the size from 16 by 16 to 50 by 50. Okay, let's have a look of the software. Software is here. We open that. The interface is pretty clean and simple. You can select the font. You can select different characters. Actually, all the 96 characters are here, and you can scale or shift. And also create a bin. The bin file that can be directly burned into the Flash. So that in that case can be used for display. And I have to mention that it will be better not to use a scale because if it uses a scale, the shape of the character may change to fatter or thinner. It will be best just to use a shift. So in that case, we can get the original font. Yeah, let's produce the first Microsoft Sans serif font. You can see from here, the character is being cut off, at the bottom. So in that case, it will be better not use a scale, but lift it up. So we can lift it up very carefully. Yeah, it seems here it seems a little bit cut off. Lift it more. Okay, so in that case, you can see at the top, it is being cut off. In that case, we have to use a scale to adjust a little bit, but just to try to minimize the cutoff also here. Do another scale. Yeah, adjust a little bit here. Yeah, to see. Yeah, it seems complete to me. So do we need to check all the 96 characters? Actually not. We can just use 3 biggest one, W. Yeah, W is look good to me, and also percentage. Yeah, it seems it is also good, and so in that case, we complete the font generation, and we can just create the bin file. Success. And if we check, yeah, you can see this character here. The font already produced. So we rename it to the font we produce. Okay, we produce our first font. So because we already scale it, and it will be better just to close it and reopen it again. So in that case, we can produce another font. For example, I like to produce Times New Roman. And Times New Roman. Yeah, here we choose that. And you can see it is also being cut off. We need to lift it up. We can see all the rows. And also here is a cut off a little bit. We just make it smaller. And so in that case, it is right now it is good to me. Here it seems a little bit. We make it a little bit lower. So in that case, it is good. And then we check the W. Yeah, W is good too. And we check percentage. Yeah, percentage also good. Then we create another font. We rename it because we need to create another, the third one. So it is a 0. So in that case, we will name it as 1. It is ASIC times New Roman. Okay, we produce a font. And again, because we use a scale, yeah. So in that case, we close it, or maybe we can just adjust it to original ratio. And then the third one I would like to produce is Arial. Okay, this one. And the percentage character is good to me. And how about add? Add, it seems good too. Oh, here is a cut off, a little bit cut off. We'll need to lift it. Oh, but it is also cut off here. So in that case, we also need to make this scale a little bit. We just that. Yeah, it seems it is good. And we check W. Yeah, W is good. And we recheck the percentage. Yeah, the percentage is also good. Then we create the third font, and we rename it as to ask. Okay, in that case, we produce all the 3 fonts here, bin file. And maybe somebody may ask, how about the other characters? You just produce 96 most common ASCII file. If I like to have some Russian file, Chinese file, Korean file, or Japanese file, and other not common used. So in that case, we need to have a professional tool to make that. So in that case, non-English font. Yeah, so we need to use a professional software to do that. And please contact Orient Display customer service or technical support. We can assess to produce generated font. It's very easy for For us, it is very fast. Okay, so this is the first episode, how to generate the font.